this is your chemical symbol, and you have your atomic number down here in subscript, and then you have your mass number up here in superscript, and then if there's a charge, plus or minus, it would go up here. None of these are ions, so these are all neutral. Let's do this. The atomic number will tell you the number. Do this all in different colors here. So the atomic number down there will tell you the number of protons. So we have 4 protons, and because there's no charge here, we know that it's neutral. Therefore, we have 4 electrons. Now, the protons plus the neutrons give you the mass, right? So electrons have negligible mass. When you're written in this notation, it's just the protons and the neutrons. So we already know there's 4 protons, so we need to get to 9. So we must have 5 neutrons. So there's your answer for beryllium. Now let's move over to neon. Okay, again, start with the number of protons, and so we know that atomic number is always going to tell you the number of protons, which are positive charges, and you can go out of order if you want here. So we know that the protons plus the neutrons must equal the mass, which is the number in superscript. All right, so 10 plus 10 will give you 20. And again, because there's no charge on this, it must be neutral. The only 2 particles that have charges are the protons and the electrons, so they have to equal, right? Notice that these are equal, 4 and 4, and the 10 and 10, just writing them in different orders. Get some of this paint off here, and so that's neon. And let's do finally sodium. Has 11 is the atomic number, so that tells us it has 11 protons. The mass comes from the protons and the neutrons, right? So these 2 have to add up to 23. That's the mass number on the top. Okay, so 11 plus 1 will give you 23. Or you can do big number minus small number, and that will also give you the number of neutrons. All right, so big number 23 minus 11, that's 12. 12 neutrons. So add them up, you get 23. Right now, again, there's no charge here, so the only 2 particles that have charges have to equal each other. So we must have the 11 negative charges balancing out the 11 positive charges. So there's 11 electrons.